Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, student. I welcome you again in video number 6. This is grade 2 class, subject mathematics. Today, I will teach you page number 12 of your book. The topic is addition. Mean all questions or addition and converting ones. Mean we convert from ones into tens. I am Mr. Imtiaz Khamar. Now let us start. Question number 6. Add. Look, how many parts? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So we start from part number A. Look here. First of all, this O mean ones, T mean tens. So I told you before, first we add ones and then we will add tens. So when we add ones, if the answer is more than 10, mean if more than 9, if answer is here 10, 11, 12, so we convert this one, take and add the into tens. So how we will add? Look this one. There are these red lines. Red lines mean I draw 6 red lines. Okay. So look this one. This is 6 plus 6. So after this 6, we start counting 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write here 12. No, only we will write here 2 and 1 is carry. Go there. We keep it right above. Above 2 are besides 2. Then we add this one in this 2. 2 in the under of tens. So 2 it means 2 tens. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. So it becomes 32. Mean 26 plus 6. Answer is 32. Okay. Very easy. Next question is 38 plus 4. 38 plus 4. So 8 and first we again I tell you first we add ones. So under the ones 8 and 4. 8 plus 4. So 4 is the smaller digits. So we draw 4 lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and after 8 we start counting 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So again 12 come, we write 2 here and 1 go in the tens. So 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. And so 38 plus 4, answer is 42. Answer is 42. C part. 55 plus 8. 55 plus 8. First we add the ones. 5 plus 8. So 5 is the smaller digits, smaller number. So we draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 8 we count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, we write 3 here and 1 go here and will add in the tens. So what is the tens? 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. So 55 plus 8, answer is 63. Very easy in this way. You can write. So next D part. 7, 4 plus 7. First we add these two digits, 4 plus 7. So 4 is the smaller. So draw 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after 7, we start counting 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11, write 1 here and 1, go the next, right here. So 6 plus 1, 7. So 64 plus 7, 71. 71. Okay, boys, understand? E part. 36 plus 7. 36 plus 7. First we will add 6 plus 7. So 6 is the smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Will first what we will do? We draw 6 lines, and after 7 we count these lines. 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. We write 3 here and 1 go to add in tens. So we write 1 here and then add in 3. 3 is the tens. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. And question 36 plus 7 answer is 43. 4, 3, 43. Okay, boys. Next, F. 87 plus 8. 87 plus 8. So how will we do? 7 is the smaller digit. So draw 7 lines here, and then after 8, we count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Write 5 here and 1 go to add in tens. So 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. So answer is 95. 87 plus 8, 95. G part. G part. Question is 46 plus 9. So draw 6 lines, and then after 8, after 9, start counting 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So write 5 here, 1 go to add into 10. So write 1 here and then add into 10. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. H part. 8, 71 plus 8. 71 plus 8. So first add 8. 8 plus 1, 9. There is no 1 to convert into tens. So just write 8 and then 7 comes as it is. The answer is 79. So these questions have 2 numbers to add, but first number has 2 digits and second only 1. Okay, but in the next there is little difference. Now look, the next one, page number 12. These are also addition and also converting ones. But what's the difference between question 6 and 7? In 6, the first numbers 2 digits, second 1. But here, first also 2 and second also 2 digits. Now look, part A, 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. So 6 is the smaller. So draw 6 lines and add these lines into 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So write 13 here? No, only write 3 and 1 will go to add into tens. But first we add the tens. 4 plus 1, 5, and then add this one is into this. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, first add these 2 digits, then add this one. This one comes from ones. We convert this 7 plus 6, 13, and this 1 will go to add into tens. 7, 6, 13, and then 4 plus 1, 5, and then 1, 6. Okay. Part number B. The question is 64 plus 28. 64 plus 28. So first we add ones. 4 plus 8. 4 is the smaller. We add, draw 4 lines and we add these 4 lines into 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So one go to add into tens. So first we add these 10. 6 plus 2, 8. Then 1, 9. Okay. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. You can add this 2 into the figure. Also, you practice here in this of your fingers. For example, this is 2. Okay. Okay. Part number C. 8 plus 7. So draw 7 lines. So after 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So write 5 here and 1 go to add into tens. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 1, 7. D part. This is the D part. Question is 24 plus 39. 24 plus 39. So add first ones. 9 plus 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write 3 here. 1 go to add into 10. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. E part. Question is 45 plus 46. So first we will add ones. 5 plus 6. 5. Draw first 5 lines and add these 5 lines to 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 11. Write 1 here and write 1 go to add into tens. But first tens. Two numbers are 2 digits of tens. 4 plus 4. 8. These you add these 4 plus 4 with the help of your fingers. Okay. 4 plus 4, 8, and plus 1, 9. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. So question 45 plus 46 answer is 91. Answer is 91. Now come on part number F. The question is 22 plus 39. 22 plus 39. So first add ones. Again, 9 plus 2. Draw 2 lines. 9, 10, 11. Right here, 1 here and 1 go. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. And plus 1, 6. So 22 plus 39. The answer is 61. 61. 61, 61. Come on, G part. So 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. So both are equal. So we draw 9 lines. After 9 count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Write 8 and then 1 go to add into 10. So we write 1 here. This 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So answer is 58. So 39 plus 19 is equal to, or equal, the answer is 58. H part. 29 plus 15. So 9 plus 5. So draw 5 line and count. Counting start from the 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right? 4. Then 2 plus 1, 3, and plus 1, 4. And this, where this one come? This is come from the ones, because 9, 4, because you know, under the of ones, we can write only one digits, not two. If there are when we add two ones, if the answer comes in two digits, so one, the second digits converts into tens. Converts mean add into tens. So 9 plus 5, 14, and 1 go to add into tens, and 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So answer is 44. 29 plus 15 is equal to 44. Part number I. The question is 37 plus 47. 37 plus 47. So add first 7 plus 7. So draw first 7 lines, then add 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14. So 1 right here. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Plus 1, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 1, 8. Answer is 84. 37 plus 47. Answer is 84. J part, the question is 18 plus 72. 18 plus 72. So 2 is the smaller. So we add 2 into 8. So 8, 9, 10. Write 0 here. 1 go to add into 10. Tens. First we add the number of tens. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Answer is 19. So 18 plus 72. Answer is 90. A part. Question is 24 plus 15. 24 plus 15. 24 plus 15. So first we add ones. 4 plus 5. So we draw 4 lines and add these 4 lines to 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, because this is 9. So there is no two digits. So there is no converting into tens. So 2 plus 1, 3. The last question part is 69 plus 11. 69 plus 11. So 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 go to add into tens. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. So answer is 80. So 69 plus 11, answer is 80. Okay. So just to remember one thing, when you add the ones, if answer is more than 9, if answer 9, so no converting. If answer 8, no convert. Answer become 10, 11, 12. So converts the second digits 1 into tens. Okay. So this is the page number 12. You first of all you watch my video 2 times and then practice. And at least practice 2 times also. The next one is the table of 4. Read with me. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Again, 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. So Also you learn this one, and how you will learn: sit alone in a room, keep table in front of you, and you can first you can write in the notebook, and then you can make a copy, no problem. But take that notebook into your go into your room alone, and then read loudly. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. So in this way, you can learn more quickly. Okay. So after that, your homework. So homework, do this page number 12. If you have book, so do first in your book and then your notebook. But if you have no book, don't worry. Some parents and some students are worried about the books. So don't worry. I again request parents, don't worry. You can write uh, your book, your homework in your notebook. And I think notebooks are available near your shops, near your Bukala. So you can purchase, and if you have not at Bukala, so you can use old notebook, no problem. Okay. And also first you memorize your table and then write. And also you make a video. You can make a video of the table, and then you can send me, no problem. Inshallah, you understood this one. I will see you next video. Allah Hafiz.